Here, she just came out of this drift. Wanna go for another walk over here? There's Bob's house next door. Got a big drift next to his house. There's Bob next door doing a snowblower. It was burying the snowblower right to the sidewalk because it was about 4 or 5 inches higher than the snowblower itself. So here's where I cut out on our driveway. Probably 15 or 16 inches, I think. I don't know. Most spots. It's up to the, drifted up to the height of the fence. Big cloud. So far. Cloud the side street.